Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best bicycle repair tools box in this video? I will show you the top 5 best bicycle repair tools box to buy right now in your budget. I made this list based on my personal opinion and on my research, and I have a list of them based on their quality, durability, price, and more to find out more information about these products. You can check out the links down in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest technology video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Item number 5 is Super BTBA 500 Professional Bicycle Tool Sets. Specifications: Type: Tool Kits. Model: TBA 500. Weight: 2.4 kilograms. Function: Bike tools boxes repair tools. Mountain bike repair tool kit, 27 function bike tool. Type: Bicycle repair tool set. Size: 33 by 26 by 8 Bike multifunctional tool, tool bike multifunction bicycle. Bicycle multifunction tools, whole bike tool set. Bike multitool, repair tool set. Bike tool repair tool kits, for MTB bike, road bicycle. Item number 4 is Ice Tools 82A6 Pronto Toolkit. Specifications: Brand name: Ice Tools. Type: Tool Kits. Model: 82A6. W: 2.75 kilograms. Function: Bike tools boxes repair tools. Mountain bike repair tool kit, multifunction bike tool. Type: Bicycle repair tool set. Size: 33.5 by 26.5 by 7.5 cm. Bike multifunctional tool, tool bike multifunction bicycle. Bicycle multifunction tools, whole bike tool set. Bike multitool, repair tool set. Bike tool repair tool kits, for MTB bike, road bicycle. As the item number 3 we've selected, Bike Hand Bicycle Repair Multi-Tool Set. Specifications: Origin: TW Origin. Type: Tool Kits. Model: YC799. Tools: 20-in-1 Bicycle Tool Kit. Use for bike maintenance and repair. Consist of items: BB wrench, chain tools, tire lever, hex wrenches, screwdrivers, cleaning. Application: universal for most bikes, mountain road. Features: premium quality, hard case, multi-tools. Item number 2 is Bike Hand Multifunctional Bicycle Repair Tool Kits. Specifications: Origin: TW Origin. Type: Tool Kits. Model: YC721. W: 2.55 kilograms. Function: Bike tools boxes repair tools. Mountain bike repair tool kit, 18 function bike tool. Type: Bicycle repair tool set. Size: 31 by 24 by 7 Bike multifunctional tool, tool bike multifunction bicycle. Bicycle multifunction tools, whole bike tool set. Bike multitool, repair tool set. Bike tool repair tool kits, for MTB bike, road bicycle. And finally, the item number 1 in our list is Bicycle Repair Tools Box. Specifications: Origin: TW Origin. Type: Multifunction tools. Model: CTK01. Weight: 2.9 kilograms, approx. Material: premium alloy steel. Package size: 315 mm, 250 mm, 80 mm.